Yo, what's up, guys? Gonna be doing a trade review for today. Today is Friday, January 9th of 2026. And I took one trade today. It was pretty much one and done. And yeah, let's get straight into it. It was a very simple trade, to be honest. I mean, as you guys can see, ES was trading inside of this whole range here on the hourly, right? And pretty much, let me mark out here. All right, that's a 10. So 930 is right here. Cool. Yes, it has this range here, right? And like I said in the previous trade review, if you've been watching every single one in order, uh, the market likes to react from the extremes, correct? We like to get reversals from these extremes. So for example, right here, you see this change of the change here? Look, we got a bounce right over here, right over here. There were bounces, you feel me? So the market's gonna reverse from these extremes, correct? So what did I do? I pretty much just marked these extremes out. Look, let me go to a higher time frame. The 2 hour is gonna be looking cleaner. There's one here. So this was my demand zone for the day. And then this was my supply zone. And in my opinion, this supply zone was very strong. Why? Because this supply zone was the one created once we got above 7,000. You know, it was the first supply zone right there of this sideways-ish market. You know, so I had these two zones marked up, and then what did I do from there? I just simply looked to trade lower time frame zones inside these higher time frame zones. It isn't that hard, you know. So I marked up this demand zone right here, this drop base rally. Look at this gorgeous move out. All right, so I had this demand zone marked up, which if you guys have seen my trade break, no, my market breakdown video, I wanted to get in longs on this day right here. So look at that, guys. My longs were going to be literally right here. I wasn't filtering them by a little bit, but let's see. That's what 100, 200 ticks. Nice little 200 tick move. Either way, I did not go long today. I looked to go short near this extreme, and my supply zone was literally this right here. Boom, that was it. And then I had something else. Hold up, just making sure. Yeah, right here was my second zone. So I had these two zones here. And then watch this. Okay, we got tapped in. This was pretty much when I took the trade right here. And my stop buffer was, oh, my bad. Wrong two. My stop buffer was literally like right here. Boom. Was one tick. It wasn't much. And my take profit one was like right over here. 2 to 1. That was my TP one. My TP one was pretty much this breakout point because, oop, breakout. Because you guys see that we have a low, high, high, low. We have an uptrend here, right? So I should be targeting this uptrend. If you don't target it, then I mean, I hope you're doing your research, but I'm gonna target it, you know? So that was my TP1. And then my TP2 was literally right here, like 4 to 1. It was a bit before that zone. It was like right over here, right here. It was right here. Then boom, it got smacked. And then that was it. Very simple day. I mean, we came back up. Uh, we came back up. Maybe if you tried shorts here, you got stopped out. Okay. So let's say you had gotten stopped out right there. Look, boom. We have an uptrend, right? What is the zone that broke out? Well, the zone that broke out is pretty much this here. Cool. We got an immediate retest. It worked for a bit, but then the zone ended up not working. Okay, but look how cool this is, guys. If you guys go to the 30 minute, right? This is why I call myself the time frame king. I'm always cycling through time frames. If you guys go to the hourly, right? Look how cool this is. This is a demand zone. It's a rally-based rally demand zone. Then look, what did it do here? It broke out of the high. We got retested and it went higher. So I mean, today was a very textbook day, very easy day. If you had trouble, you gotta you gotta go figure out what is going on, because if you miss these simple things that happened today, you were probably seeing the markets incorrectly, because that was it. The day was simple, there wasn't much to it. But yes, this was today's trade review. A little bit short, but I hope you guys have a great weekend and I'll see you guys tomorrow.